The Great Tantra of Vajrasattva, equal to the end of the sky. Seeing the self-luminescence of wisdom. Then that holy Sattva Vajra addressed him with these words. We are a gathering of aware ones. How are we to investigate luminous wisdom? How does the playfulness of miraculous manifestation rise up out of the wheel of self-originated awareness? Son of wisdom, blessed one, please explain what it means to be self-originated. Then the Blessed One, the Tathagata Vajrasattva, proclaimed these words. O Mahasattva, self-originated wisdom has no cause or conditions. It has been self-apparent since the primordial. It is the best of lights. It is nothing at all. It shines in everything. It is a compassion that has no position. It is engaged in everything. It harbors no clinging to positions. It harbors no thoughts. It is like the mandala of the sun and moon shining in the sky. When we think of the differences, every method of training remains in our minds as self-originating awareness. The transmission of the perfection of the dominion of the Dharma that has no tasks, the heart treasure of the secret treasury of awareness, is a supreme bliss for our bodies, speech, and minds. It takes us to the space where our awareness is totally pervasive. The self-luminescence of wisdom is not a view. It has no object. It is not complicated. It is just how it is. It arises by itself as a wheel of self-apparent awareness, without an object. We use awareness to see it. This awareness is not connected to our thoughts. Awareness does not conceptualize anything. This is not like the magnificent middle way, and is not to be associated with the planets. This is the way things are, and so it is that through awareness itself this is obvious. The way things are is not any kind of contrivance. No matter what kinds of thoughts we start to have that hold on to subtle and gross things, or to enumerations and definitions, these thoughts are, in fact, a sky of pure shining light. Non-dual self-luminescence moves in unity. When we look at it, we don't see its meaning. When we don't look at it, we see its meaning. Both of these are uncontrived self-awareness. Do not practice on the trails of seeing or not seeing. Everything is the bodhicitta, so do not continue with dharmas of false ideas and searches. Self-origination is not an engagement in definitions.